Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add dual clock on iPhone on the new iOS or on all the versions. The steps are the same. So first of all, you need to open your lock screen. Here it is, and just hold for a while in the blank space to basically customize your lock screen. Now click on the customize button in the bottom and choose lock screen here. Now in the field where the widgets are located, here just under the clock, you need to click here and it will open add widgets option. So here you need to scroll down until you will find clock, click on it, and from this list you need to choose the clock that you would like. In our case it will be clock with the different time zones. I will choose it, and as you can see now it is added to my widgets section. And here now if I click on this widget, I can customize what cities I would like to see. So for example, instead of Tokyo, Japan, I will go with the Greece, something like that. And when you're ready, you can close it and close everything and click on the done button. And as you can see now it is loaded completely and it shows the time in the different cities. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.